CNC stands for Computerized Numerical Control. But what does that mean? This video is an effort to make my non-technical friends to understand the concept. I hope this video will help the learning engineers too. Happy learning. Wood is being turned for making furniture. The wooden workpiece is being rotated and the tool is fed manually. Since it is wood, the cutting forces are less. Imagine doing this turning operation by handling the tool by hand. Tremendous cutting force is required, and the amount of precision what you can see on this part. Controlling by hand is almost impossible. Doing one part can be easier. A lathe is the mother of all machine tools. There is a facility to hold the workpiece and rotate. There is a place for holding the tool and move in two perpendicular directions. And with the help of handle, you can move the tool, feed the tool. This tailstock can be used for supporting the workpiece, longer workpiece, and also to do the drilling to make a hole in a workpiece. You have already seen making movements in a conventional machine by rotating the hand wheels. Now in CNC, you can see just by one line command, the movement can happen. The position display is there. You can see the Z axis started moving. So the command is G0 Z100. So just one line command. You can see the movement happening with just one command. Now same way, the movement in x-axis, again one line command, G0 X100. There is a position display. You can already see that it has started moving. Yeah, now the x-axis is moving. See the convenience and the precision. In a conventional milling, the tool is rotated and the workpiece is fed to the tool for removing the material. Now you can see a y-axis movement for removing the material, making slots on a workpiece. Now the slide is being moved in x-axis. So all these things are done by rotating a handle. There is a DRO, which is direct readout, an electronic device fitted. In CNC machines also, there is a provision to move the machine by using handwheel. Now the same movement you can see by using a command G0x minus 200. So the slide is moving effortlessly. Now the same movement in y-axis. Yeah.